Hi, welcome to TechTricks. Today I will show you how to find a connected Wi-Fi password using a command prompt. Type CMD in the search bar and open CMD by running as administrator. Type this command script and press enter. After pressing enter, it will show you the name of the connected Wi-Fi in your PC. After that, type this script and press enter. It has successfully saved the file in our destination folder. Now you can open the folder and open this XML file in Notepad. Here is the password inside the key material tag.